Yo, what is going on, guys? How is everybody's day going? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today is gonna be really exciting. Now, if you guys don't follow my Instagram, you guys don't know this, but for those of you who do follow my Instagram, you guys already know this. We dropped off Jay's car. We peeled all of Jay's wrap off. The purple is now gone. RIP the purple WRX. The same day we finished peeling off the wrap, we also dropped it off to the wrap shop. The car has been gone for about a week, and today is the day we finally go and pick it up. I'm so excited. I'm a little sad that Jay's not gonna have a purple car anymore because I just painted my car purple, but it's whatever. Jay's new color is sick. I haven't yet seen the finished product, so I'm really excited to see it. You guys are gonna see it the same time I see it. I'm just really excited today. By the way, I cleaned up the garage. I know the last video, this garage was like, it was atrocious. It was such a mess. I cleaned it up. I still have a lot of stuff that I gotta get out of this garage, but we're not gonna worry about that today. Today, all we're gonna worry about is the WRX. We might, don't quote me on this, but we might take the RX-8 to the shop today, but we'll see if we get around to that. But right now the plan is that I'm gonna drive up to Jay's house. I'm gonna go pick up Jay. We're gonna go to the wrap shop. We're gonna check out the WRX, and we're gonna show you guys the WRX. It is gonna be a good day. Sitting on a valley, you ain't been about that porch now. I cannot record it driving, bro. Dude, are you ready to go get the Rex, bro?
Hell yeah.
Are you ready, bro?
Hell yeah.
Just got to the wrap shop. His Evo is so sick. This is the guy that is wrapping Jay's car. He wrapped his Evo this cool green. Ready?
Yeah.
You ready? I'm excited to see it. I haven't seen it yet. Let's go check out the new WRX, dude. I'm so excited. Dude, this new color is so sick. Nobody's gonna expect it. I don't think anybody's expecting this color.
You guys go first.
Honestly. Oh, wait, you gotta keep your eyes closed, dude.
I'm going backwards.
It's there. It's there. Oh, it's there. It's there. Yo, oh my god. Dude. Wait, did you see the complete thing yet?
Not the complete thing.
Not the complete thing? Dude, it looks fucking sick.
Alright, can I look now?
Yeah, go ahead. Look, dude, this thing is fucking sick, dude.
Yo, I fucking love how you did the stickers and shit.
No, yo, what?
Yeah, dude.
That is crazy. I'm blown away by this. Oh my god, what?
Yeah.
Dude! Ever since we dropped it off, every single day, he's just been saying that he's so excited to get see it. Oh, this is so crazy. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. Like, the black accents and then the 5% tint just ties everything in together. The satin was a good choice. I see a lot of people doing gloss.
I'm original.
I'm in love. I'm in love. Dude, this is better than the purple. I loved your purple. This is better than the purple, man. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. This is a completely different look. Yo, when are we trading, man? Dude, I'm serious. I don't. Why do you think I'm kidding, bro? I'm serious. When do you want to trade cars?
Yo, I fucking love it.
Either we could trade cars, or I'm just gonna come drop off my car and we'll get the same color.
Do it.
I can just stare at this car all day. I'm like drooling over the car right now. I'm like obsessing over it right now. Right now we're gonna head back to my house. Yo, that is so sick, dude. Made it back to home base. It seems like every single time I get back home, my neighbors are mowing their lawn. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear that in the back, but whatever, dude, this car looks so sick, man. I'm so hyped for you. Low-key, I'm not gonna lie. I was not doubting it, but I didn't know how it would look. Like, I know you have a good vision because you chose the purple. It came out sick when I was still iffy on it.
I mean, and then, I'll be honest, like, I'm still not like 100% happy with the wheels. I do want to change the faces.
This is still like kind of on your old setup. Yeah. So like you still have some things to change. Like he's changing out the wheels, and then you also have. Wait, can I tell them
what
about the?
Oh, I mean, yeah, everyone knows about that thing.
All right, yeah, you put it on your Instagram.
Yeah.
Dude, so Jay also got some new sick taillights. Epic Lights is making them, and they're gonna be better than any taillights you guys have ever seen. Yeah. Like if you thought my taillights were sick, you guys aren't even ready for his taillights.
And then I gotta also fix like the whole trunk setup and shit too.
Yeah.
Get that all sorted.
It's little minor things that you just have to adjust for the what are we gonna call this?
I don't know.
Because Desert Sandstorm is kind of a long name. What do we?
I mean,
the Creammobile. I mean, we can call it the Creammobile.
I mean, her name's always been Skylar.
Skylar? Yeah, but what are we gonna like? My car, like it's technically Barney. What are we calling your car?
Boston Cream.
Boston Cream? I like that. I like that.
The French Cruller.
The French Cruller, dude. Let's do that.
Yeah,
it's the French Cruller. It's the French Cruller. If I wasn't already obsessed with Jay's car enough, this just tops it off. Like, I am so obsessed with this thing now. Leave your opinions down in the comments. I want to know what you guys think about it too. I want to get more opinions on this thing. And what do you guys think the new color for the face should be? I think he should do black. I think gloss black would tie in everything. I'm gonna go on Jay's judgment here. What do you? Wait, do you want to tell them or do you want to keep it a secret for now?
I mean, I don't really mind.
What are you thinking?
I want to kind of like accent the interior with the exterior.
Yeah.
So I want to do the wheel spaces, the maroon that my seats are.
Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, Jay has some pretty cool seats. Ooh. Can you see him? Can you see him?
Yeah.
So you want to do the same maroon that's on the seats, on the faces. I think that'll look pretty cool, but honestly, I think black's gonna look cooler, but I'm gonna go based on your judgment here.
I like black, but everyone has black wheels.
Yeah.
Like everyone does it at least once in their lifetime.
Yeah.
So I'm not trying to be like that, you know?
I feel you. And you obviously have good taste. You know what I mean? I was, like I said, I was kind of doubting this, but clearly you showed me wrong.
I'm not gonna be whack and get like gunmetal faces, you know?
Yeah, I feel you. Damn! Damn! That took a second to click in. It did click in right away. You do you, but I think black. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I think that black face would look sick on this just because it would go with the whole theme, like black and cream or whatever. Can we just take a second to appreciate this driveway right here? Got some two big nice booties sitting in my driveway. Yeah, Jay, I'm talking about you.
Thanks.
I'm legitimately obsessing over your car more than my car right now. Like, I don't know if it's just because it's the new color or...
I told you to copy my purple.
Damn. Before we go for some rollers, we just have to bang out a little bit of Jay's quarter panel right here. At the moment, it has a little bit of a problem. Every time Jay airs out, the frame or the quarter panel kind of scratches the lip, and it's not good. It's never good. Look at that booty! Yo, Jay, you gotta give it a bigger bang than that, man.
I know, I'm just scared. This is a cheap way how to roll your fingers.
Do we fix the problem, dude? Did we fix it? Keep going. Wait, slow, but keep going. Keep going. What are you doing?
There you go.
Oh shit. Nah.
Oh, you hit.
You're like fender to lip right now. The other side's pretty much perfect. It's tucking pretty well. Right now we're heading to a spot where we can fly the drone and kind of get some cool shots of the WRX. I'm starting to like love this spot. I found this new spot and I just don't know how to act now. This bridge is just so cool. Like, there's not a lot of cool spots by my house, but this like little bridge-ish area, I don't know, I love it. Dude, I love your car. Trade me, please. Yo, here.
Nah, I don't want a slow car.
What?
I don't want a slow car.
Come on, chill, dude. Take Taylor. Just trade, dude. Come on, just for a day, please. If you actually throw it, I would have took your car home.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, just letting you know. So can you please throw it?
You want
No, I'm kidding, dude.
Yo, you know what spot looks sick for your car?
What?
Right there.
I hate you. One of my friends, he's a good buddy of mine, is shooting a music video, and he asked me if I could do a big ass burnout for his music video, and of course I said yes. Why would I not want to do a burnout? So right now the BRZ has 2 stock wheels in the back, one of the works on the passenger side, and then the stock on the driver's side. So it looks crazy right now. It looks really bad. Yo, that does not hold at all.
Are you really sure you don't want me to just do it?
Yo, it did do better backwards, actually.
Once I got it, I was like, we hit it!
The inside of my car smoking? I don't think it's supposed to do that.
She never lets me down.
Just made it back to home base once again, ending the night off. It was a fun day today. Jay's new wrap looks absolutely gorgeous. It's sick. I love it. Make sure you guys go and show him some love on his Instagram. His WRX makes me want a WRX so bad. I'm really happy for him. It looks sick. Like I said, it is a little sad that we're no longer purple bros, but I think that his new color definitely makes up for it. But I'm gonna close this video out right here because we have a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. I still have to start editing this video, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I love you guys, and peace out.
I used to wake up to your phone call. Now I wake up and not a single thing going on. What's the point if it ain't fun? I can wait for you, but I'm tired of just hanging on. Peppermint flavor like gumdrops, probably so sweet you can eat it, make our heart stop. That's What's the flavor that I don't want? Meet me at the store, I can find you in the same spot.